Morning gang, just grabbed the bike from the Airbnb, I'm just going to head out, I'm going to go to the Grain Cafe. It's going to be a lovely day.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Hey friends, so I've come for lunch at a place called Grain Cafe, the Grain Cafe, Pico Boulevard. Saw it at the Reuben because Devon said that's the best thing to order, so I ordered it there and I got some hibiscus tea coming. Let's see how this is. Super tasty. I asked them what I should get. They said the Reuben sandwich. I got that and some hibiscus tea. Super tasty. I'd say definitely check it out if you're not there. Feeling real good today. You know, I'm feeling like a bike riding, vegan wearing, kiss stealing, son of a gun. Woo! So after a message from Jordan earlier today, I thought I'd best get some veggie grill. So I'm gonna taste this bad boy. Got my veggie grill. I'm talking to the Comedy Store. It's cool because I don't know who's gonna be on tonight. But I bought the tickets a couple of months ago. But what's really nice about it is like, it's been probably the last 3 years that I've been like really wanting to go to the Comedy Store. It's just awesome that I'm gonna get to do it tonight, so pretty stoked for that. Yeah, really just looking forward to who's gonna be on. I wish I could take you in there. So I'm sitting in the taxi on the way back from the Comedy Store. Just headed to get some dessert on the way home. I'm going to chill. It's been a good night. Comedy Store was crazy. Hello gang. So awesome day yesterday. Really enjoyed it. Comedy Store was such a highlight for me. I've wanted to do it for so long, so good to get out there. Andrew Santino was amazing. So was Theo Von. It was amazing to see Dane Cook as well.
Dane Cook, pay-per-view, 20 minutes, let's go!
Amazing. Veggie Grill, awesome. Grain Cafe, awesome. And I went to Doomis after the Comedy Store as well. Nice. I had a tiramisu, it was insane. So today I'm gonna go hang out with some really cool vegans. If you wanna find out who they are, you're gonna have to wait till the next vlog. So like and subscribe, check it out, and be nice to each other. Goodbye.